warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I'm going to explain to you how to use SPSS to run an analysis specifically for the topic of hypothesis testing and estimation. Okay, so basically when you open your SPSS, this appearance will pop out lah. Okay, so what should you do? If you already have a data set, you can choose where the files are located. Okay, specifically if the format of the data are .sav. So .sav means that the data are already in the SPSS format. Other than that, you also can key in your data by click on the new data set. Okay, and then this example, this one is a example of a data file that already in SPSS format. Okay, so other than that, you also can key in your data set. Okay, so the file will looks like this lah. Dia akan kosong sahaja. So saya nak tunjuk yang kosong dulu. So you akan nampak ada dua ni. Kita boleh klik variable view or data view. Okay, so if in the data view, all the data will be appear here lah. So awak boleh copy and paste from, for example, from the Excel file. Okay, the variable view will describe what is your data about. Okay, for example, let's say saya nak key in data berkenaan score. Okay, so I give the variable name as score. Okay, so types dia adalah numeric because value kita adalah numbering, right? So it can be in decimal places. Okay, so for the level kita tak perlu letak apa-apa pun, just put it as by default lah, biarkan sahaja apa yang dia dah buat kan. Okay, and then let's say katakan saya nak input another variable. For example, saya nak masukkan kat sini class. Okay, score tu adalah referring to what class. Okay, so yang ni awak boleh choose what are the type of the variable. Okay, so let's say kelas tu saya nak letak kelas 1, 2, 3. So dia in term of numeric lah. Okay, okay, and then label ni saya boleh buat. Let's say saya klik kat situ ya, dekat values. Okay, let's say katakan values 1 is referring to CS143A katakan. Okay, saya pun add. Okay, variable 2 CS143B. Add. Value 3 is represent CS143C katakan. Okay, for example, let's take only 3 class. Okay, and then I put okay. Okay, now kita dah define what are our variable. Kita ada score and class. Now kita nak try to key in the value. Let's say, okay, saya pun masuklah value score tu. For example, score for test 1 75. Okay, 45, 67, 89, 23, 45, 95. Okay, so katakan data yang pertama ni adalah referring to class A katakan. So saya masuklah 1. This one is referring to class number 3. This one class number 2. This one class 3, 2, 1 and 2 katakan. Okay, so this is how to key in the data into the SPSS. Okay, yang ni kalau data yang awak akan input tu adalah bukan di dalam format SPSS. For example, let's say dia dalam bentuk Excel, so kita nak input dia ke dalam SPSS. Okay.